Hi, I'm Paul with MarineMax here in Houston, Texas, and I'm aboard something that's very exciting. It's the 2023 230 Sunsation Angler by Premier Pontoon. You want a boat you can do everything with, this is it. This is a bay boat, freshwater fishing boat, saltwater fishing boat, ski boat, lounge boat, dinner cruiser. You can do it all. It's got some extremely unique features to Premier, and I want to show you one of the best ones right here. Check this out. Both sides of this boat completely swing out of the way and give you one of the best swimming, diving, fishing areas on both sides of the boat that you could ask for. We've got a really nice heavy-duty ski tow on the back, beautiful stainless steel ladder with nice handrails. But one of the best things about this boat is this fishing station. Come aboard, I want to show you all the features it has. Okay, we're going to start at the back side of this awesome fishing station. You'll see we've got two doors giving you great access to the batteries. Everything's really easy to get to. Got a really nice rail here to keep all your stuff on board. Doesn't matter if you're filleting fish or just you have your tackle sitting there. We've got a 42-inch ruler built in, lots of storage, lots of drink holders. Great setup, tool storage, rod storage for 6 rods here in the back. We've got an aerated bait well with a live bait bucket system, good and fresh or salt. These can double as an ice chest. Here's some other awesome features. We got charging stations built in. Your switch for your live well system is right here. Great built-in tackle storage. These can be changed out for whatever's hitting that week. More drawer storage here. You can see the rod holders. We've got some pretty heavy-duty saltwater fishing rods here, but it'll accommodate any type of fishing rod you want to put on there. Here's another cool feature here in the floor. Let's say you're fishing with a small child, or you just want to be closer together, or fishing out of the same side of the boat. We've got another seat base right here, so you can move these seats from one spot to the other. This fishing station is so cool, I wish we could put it on some of our other boats. It's really awesome. Another thing that Premier thought about for the fishing aspect is you've got great casting ability because of the way the top's done. We've actually got the top in the collapsed position. You'll see that it's facing forward. You can actually face it in either direction, but man, it's a really good setup for fishing. This boat is also a good shallow draft boat. One of the things I haven't mentioned yet is it's a 3-log PTX system. Premier's PTX system, the center pontoon is shaped much like a high-performance boat. It's got a really unique performance characteristic, and it's really good in rough water, really good in shallow water. It's just a good versatile boat. Check out all the loungers. We've got a nice an L-shaped lounger here in the back. Great loungers in the front. This makes it a really comfortable boat for any members of your family. Here's something that I always want in a boat. You don't always get it. We've got a trash can. Got one on each side actually. This one you get in from the top. This one you can get in from the top or the side door. Another great feature when you go to a triple log boat is floor storage. This is really good for water sports toys, extra fishing equipment, whatever you may have. Lots of stainless steel drink holders. Premier has these really nice, easy system hinges. All rotocast molded seating. Great stereo with a subwoofer. This one's already equipped with a Simrad GPS fish finder, RGB lighting system. And check this out. Not too many 23-foot fishing boats are rated for 15 persons. Got a 200 Merc on the back. This thing performs great for any types of water sports, any type of fishing. Y'all have got to come check this out. My name is Paul. I'm at MarineMax here in Houston, and I'm excited about this boat.